welcome to my channel. I'm Miriam. I'm voicing over today because my kids were really noisy during this video. Anyway, today I am sharing with you my fall oatmeal recipe. I'm having some water simmer. I need 1 apple, about a cup of dry oats. I'm using organic old-fashioned. Here I'm showing you my salt and my cinnamon. The first thing I will need to do is cut up my apple. After I get my apple cut up, I check on my water. It's just about boiling, so I add my oats and my apple in. My salt, just a dash, and a few shakes of cinnamon. And then I stir it all together. I let it bubble for a while until the oats start to thicken and the apple becomes nice and soft. I like my oatmeal to be thick. If you like it to be thinner, then you should add more water. I started with 2 cups of water. Here I show my raisins. I put in about a large handful or a couple of small handfuls in at the end. This is after I've taken it off the heat. And lastly, optional, I add a pat of butter. I like the buttery flavor, and it's adding some healthy fats into your oatmeal. Optionally, you can use milk instead of water. And here's the finished oatmeal. I have 2 bowls for my girls and a big bowl for me. One of my daughters likes to have yogurt on her oatmeal.